Terrestrial plants have four categories. First one is plant in desert, second is plant in hills, third is plants in marshes, and the fourth one is plants in plains. So let us see the plants in deserts in detail. See children, it is a cactus plant and this plant has a thick stem. In other plants, the process of photosynthesis, that means the preparation of the food, takes place in leaves. But in this plant, especially the plants in deserts, the photosynthesis process takes place in the stem. Okay. The thick and fleshy stem of this plant can store water. And this plant does not have any leaves. Instead of leaves, they have spines. So spines prevent the loss of the water. Another adaptation of desert plant is that the roots of the desert plants will go deep into the ground so that it can absorb the water from the underground. The second category under the terrestrial plants is plants in hills. Usually the plants in hills will always have slopy branches. Why they have slopy branches, it will help the snow to slide off easily, because in hill areas the climate will be always cold and there will be regular snowfall. So as when compared to the other plants, like if they have thin and broad straight leaves, what will happen? The snow will not fall down, and it causes damage of the leaves. So they have sloping branches, so the snow will slide off easily from the tree. And when compared to other plants, the leaves are very different for the plants in hills. They have needle-shaped leaves. We cannot find a flower in the trees which grows in the hills. Instead of the flowers, they have cones. Next category is plants in marshes. So in marshes, usually the soil will be very clay or in sticky form. And the plants, if you see in the marshy places, the plants will have a roots called as breathing roots. Means the roots will not be seen inside the soil, but instead of that, the roots are found outside the soil like this. These roots are called as breathing root, because if the roots are inside the soil, they will not be able to get air. If air is not there, plant will not grow. So these plants survive with the help of this breathing roots. This breathing roots helps the plant to breathe. And these marshy places are otherwise known as swamp. S-W-A-M-P, swamps. And generally the plants which grows in these marshy places are called as mangroves. The next is plants in plains. See some of the examples I have given you here. Usually the climate in the plains will not be too hot or too cold, and these areas receives moderate rainfall, and the leaves of these trees will be thin and broad. So this is because it is modified in the way that it can absorb lot of sunlight. And these are some of the examples, children. These trees shed their leaves during winter season.